Starting out on social media can feel overwhelming, but what if I told you that you can automate a lot of it, freeing up your time while still growing your presence? Today, we're diving into exactly how you can make social media work for you without having to be glued to your screen 24/7. Let's start with content creation. Now, I know it can be tricky to keep coming up with fresh ideas and consistently engaging posts. But here's the trick: you don't have to do it alone. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you have a virtual brainstorming partner. Imagine asking ChatGPT for content ideas, and boom, you get a list of trending topics tailored to your industry. Need a LinkedIn post about, say, the benefits of remote work? Just ask, and ChatGPT can draft it up in seconds, ready to go. And here's the kicker: it can even create multiple versions of a single idea, so your content never feels repetitive or stale. But coming up with ideas is just the beginning. Once you have your content, you need to make sure it's seen by the right people at the right time. A lot of people struggle with consistency in posting. Here's where the magic of automation steps in. By using a scheduling tool, you can plan out your posts days, even weeks, in advance. Think about it. Instead of logging in every day to post manually, you can set aside an hour a week, schedule everything, and let the system do the rest. This keeps your content flowing even when you're not online. Now let's talk about timing, because posting at the right time makes a huge difference. For example, mornings and lunch hours on weekdays are prime times for LinkedIn, since people tend to check in before they start their workday or during breaks. Instagram, on the other hand, often sees higher engagement during the evenings and weekends when people are relaxing. Knowing when your audience is most active and scheduling posts accordingly is crucial. It means your posts aren't just out there floating around, they're actually being seen. But wait, there's more to it. Hashtags. I know they can seem confusing or even spammy, but used right, they're a powerful tool. Start by researching hashtags that are relevant to your niche. Here's a quick trick: combine popular hashtags with niche specific ones. Popular hashtags get you broad reach, but niche hashtags reach people who are specifically interested in what you're posting. It's like casting a wide net but still keeping it targeted. And a quick note: don't overdo it. On Instagram, sure, go for up to 10 to 15. But on LinkedIn and Facebook, fewer targeted hashtags are much more effective. Too many can actually dilute your reach. Now, while all of this is automated, don't forget that social media is, well, social. Even though you're automating your posts, take a few minutes each day to engage. Reply to comments, like others' posts, and respond to messages. These small interactions build trust and make your audience feel valued. Think of automation as setting the stage and engagement as performing on it. Both are needed to truly grow. And here's something that's often overlooked: analyzing your results. It's one thing to post consistently, but you also need to know what's working. Most scheduling tools give you insights on each post's performance. Take a look at what's getting likes, shares, and comments, and note any patterns. Is a certain type of content doing better than others? Are there specific days or times that seem to work best? Use that data to refine your strategy so your posts keep improving and reaching more people over time. So, to sum it up, here's the playbook. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and draft content, schedule posts to hit at the perfect time, leverage hashtags to extend your reach, engage personally with your audience, and analyze what's working. Before you know it, you're running a streamlined, high-impact social media presence that grows even when you're not looking. And there you have it, a complete, actionable guide to automating your social media growth.